Definitely got too much hose.
Maybe we think we need to put like a 20-foot one on our Amazon wish list.
Welcome to Wrecked and Recovered, where we pull vehicles out of the water, and today we have got ourselves an old Mercury. I don't even know the model of this thing.
It's a mystery Mercury.
It's a mystery Mercury. It's something amazing though. It's huge. It's a boat.
Yeah.
And we're gonna hose this thing out. We want to hold hands?
Trying to hold hands with me?
Man, it's very.
We ain't that close.
It's a very emotional part.
Piggyback.
Just get off me. What we got here is we got our water pump and our water hose, and we're gonna hose this thing off and see what kind of stuff is inside it. Fingers crossed, identification. That'd be really cool, but I doubt that's going to be there.
Maybe there's a VIN number because there's no plate.
That's the biggest thing. We can find a VIN number, it's a win.
I think they know about this car, but nobody's had the.
I don't think so.
Nobody's had the plums to pull it out yet.
Nobody wanted to. They just want to continue training or whatever else these people call it.
Well, yeah, I don't. This car's so old. It was dumped in a ramp that's not public, which is kind of weird. It was probably dumped before it was.
Fuzz.
Oh gosh.
Actually, I think it's a boat.
Anyways. I think this car might be pink. Jeremy thinks it might be blue.
Yeah,
we're gonna wash it out, see what color it is, see what else we can find inside.
First test. Let's see if the water pump starts.
All right.
Okay. See, the gas is on. We'll give it some throttle right there. Let's see if anything happens.
Dang.
First try. One pull, that never happens. This is a good day.
Might be. You got your GoPro?
Oh gosh, I gotta hurry. The waters are coming. Yay! Give it a nice little bath for the tow company. I got wet. That's not my job today. That was your job. It is. It's ASMR. It soothes my soul. And I got a full tank of gas and a couple hours of daylight. Man, I could be out here all day. You ain't got nowhere to be, do you?
Yeah, home in my bed. 4 hours away.
Overrated. You could stay with me, we could be snuggle buddies.
Somebody get the story this time, probably.
Yeah, I don't.
It's already out. That's the only thing that needs to be changed.
You drop a new engine in and we're good to go.
This would be a good candidate. I wish the hood was on it.
It's probably down there somewhere. Actually, probably not.
No.
They probably threw that away somewhere. This is fun.
Clean that hood off.
It's actually a good watch out. There's nobody around to mess with us. We got time. We got space.
We don't have a lot of daylight though.
No, we're good. We got out a lot quicker than I thought.
Look at the windshield, man.
It's like somebody hit it.
Somebody hit this thing.
Yeah, what if it was used in a crime?
I mean, honestly, you never know.
White ain't right. Look at that. That's amazing. That windshield could be worse some, or rear window. It ain't broke. This would be a perfect candidate to take home with us. We had a flatbed and a place to put it.
Put it on top of your boat.
Yeah, we'll put. You know what? I like it. We still got to get this trunk open. I'll go around the other side and do that. Gonna do some hosing out on the inside.
What we got going on here?
Oh my gosh, it's a cable. Oh wait, that's ours.
Is that a fish? Oh, there's a big clam in there.
It's a big clam. Do you like clams? Just one time I want to find a gun.
I wonder if it has the VIN number.
Number 20. Huh? I mean, if you want to. Huh?
Find anything in there interesting?
I can't see myself in the paint job yet.
Well, it's blue and white.
I must keep cleaning.
I don't really see much treasures in there, but
I don't know. You look at the glove box yet?
no.
Let's
Pretty-
cut this thing off.
Pretty dark.
See what you find.
What we got here? Couple fine-looking gentlemen.
I'll tell you what. All right, we got the car cleaned out.
Do we?
It was amazing. Obviously, it is the next day. Actually, it's been a few days. Got a new, you get it. But I mean, I don't know. Come to find out, the car, you know, it was clean for a reason. It was a training car, but you know what? We cleaned it out for them. And
Yeah.
now, if anything, they got a nice polished ride to train on.
May or may not be back in the same spot.
That'd be all right. They'll figure it out. But either way, that was fun little video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We do these clean out videos pretty much just to entertain you and to entertain ourselves. Maybe we get lucky and we find something inside there, and you never know until you clean all the mud out. So
yeah,
there you go.
Let us know what you guys think about the clean out videos, and if you have any other ideas for other videos we could make with these
what
cars.
should we do in between pulling out cars? Because I like cleaning them and hosing them out, but a lot of people probably don't like watching it. I really don't know. Well, either way, let's get out of here. I'm hungry, and I guess we're just gonna go pull out another car. Bye.